This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Kevin J. Bisceglia. This 3,544 square foot home built approximately in 1965 was completely remodeled and updated in 2022. The list of upgrades is extensive. In addition to all updated electrical wiring with new switches, new receptacles, including GFI outlets, and new LED lighting, a new roof, 2 new HVAC units, new crown molding, new baseboards, and new paint, the kitchen cabinets were refinished with all new hardware, new countertops were installed, a new sink and faucet were installed, and a new tile floor was installed. The library has recessed lighting and French doors. Both the entertainment room and the den had new recessed lighting, new carpet and new paint. The dining room and formal living room both got new paint, updated lighting and new drywall. The master bedroom closet is huge and got new carpet, updated lighting, a new mirror and a new, custom closet organizer was installed. The master bath got new tile flooring, new shower walls, new vanity top with 2 new sinks. In the garage, new cabinets were installed and a new waterproofing system was installed with a lifetime warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin J. Bisceglia at 606-248-4932.